Hello, welcome. Are you a BECE student or candidate preparing for this July exam, or you know somebody who is going to write BECE? Share this video with them, ask them to subscribe and follow us as we take on this journey revising the past questions, the previous exams that will prepare them, keep them abreast before the next exam. Let's see how this one will be. BECE 2022 question number 3B. We have to solve this one under linear equation involving fraction. So we have 4 divided by 3x equal to 7 as a whole number minus 3 divided by x. So let's see how we are going to go about that. All right. Now, when you are having a linear equation that has the variable as the denominator, so it means it becomes impossible to find a number that can divide a variable. So it is going to be a combination of the two. Now, when you are combining them also, bear in mind that the division is possible based on the power of the variable. If I have x exponent 2 divided by x exponent 3, it becomes impossible to get a single answer as a whole number. So you are making sure that your denominator power for the variables will be bigger than that of the denominator, because we don't want to have a fraction. That is why we want to clear this fraction. So it means that I need the power to be the same, not necessarily bigger. It will be the same. So I can have x divided by x, the fraction will be cleared, x to the power 2 divided by x to the power 2. As long as the powers are the same, we can divide. But if the powers are going to be different, then it means the numerator power must be bigger than the denominator. So in the case of this, don't forget this also have 1. So we ignore that. This is 3x and x. The highest power that 2 can divide is power 1. So it means that if I take x to be my common factor, this can easily divide it to give me a whole number 1. No doubt, no fraction, no remainder. Then your x divided by 3x, it will cancel to give you 1 on 3, which is a fraction. So it means that even though the powers will be 1 or single power, we cannot pick this one because these have the product of the x. So our power is going to be, our LCM is going to be 3 and the m. So that if I want to divide 3m by the first factor here, I think I'm using m, this will be x, okay? You see that if I cancel, x will cancel x, giving me 3 as a whole number. Then 3x divided by 3x, both will cancel, giving me a whole number. So we are going to use the denominator with the multiple of the variable as the LCM. So LCM of 3x, what do we do with it? We multiply each of the terms. So here, 3x times 4 out of 3x equals to 3x multiplying 7 minus 3x multiplying 3 out of 4. It is. Now, I'm using the bracket because I'm having x. The x and this might look the same. This is multiplication. So we use the bracket not to confuse ourselves. So what happened? This here is just like it's multiplying the numerator. So 4 times 3x over 3x, it will cancel. So this will cancel this. There is no fraction here, so it will multiply. This will be 3x times 3 over x. The x will cancel. So this x cancel. I am left with only 4 equals to 3, 7, 21 times the x minus 3, 3, 9. A linear equation without fraction, right? Constant at both sides. So we transfer 1, which will be the negative, to become positive here, as in 4 plus 9 equals to 21x. I believe you know this will give us 5. So 5 will give us 13 rather. This is 13 equals to 21x. But we are looking for the x, so we divide by the coefficient of the x, which is 21. That means the first part, which is what? 13, to be divided by 21. The second part is 21x divided by 21. We know that 21 will cancel, but 21 and 13 has nothing in common as a common factor. So therefore, x is going to be equals to, okay, let's just say we have 13 on 21 equals to x. The left is the same as the right. So therefore, the value of x is going to be 13 divided by 21. We know this is proper fraction, so we can't convert it into the mixed fraction, but we can leave it in this form. I'm sure you follow from the beginning to this part. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.